the one and only Inday Sara. I just congratulated her because napakaganda ng Davao. From the moment I arrived, sabi ko malinis na ito noon, maganda na. Bakit parang mas maganda? We've been friends for a long time. I met her in the 80s, 90s, and we have not lost touch. So this was long before your father decided to run. But I've always admired her because she's really been a good mayor. I call her Inday Mayor and she calls me. It's so cute. So sweet.
Ate siya.
Ate talaga.
Thank you very much for supporting Davao City. And thank you for making everyone happy.
And sir, I have only one Vice President there. Oh. My date tonight. Mali your choice, no? Sorry. Okay, let's move on.
Usap-usapan ang sinabing yan ni Sharon Cuneta sa gala kagabi sa Intramuros para kilalanin ng mga Pilipinong may malaki ambag sa arts at entertainment. Kabilang sa langharana sa first couple, si megastar. May bahay ni Senador Kiko Pangilinan na tumakbong Vice President noong 2022 elections. Katunggali ang running mate ng Pangulo na si Vice President Sara Duterte.
Sa tingin nga ba ng Pangulo yung nagkamali siya sa pagpili ng running mate?
Kung yun po ang opinyon ni Ate Shawi, ni Miss Sharon Cuneta, at malamang karamihan sa ating mga kababayan, ay yan din po ang nararamdaman. So, opinyon po yun ni Miss Sharon Cuneta, at nakita po natin na napangiti lamang ang ating Pangulo.